Hello, welcome to SewlyJo. I'm Joe, and today we're making a tote bag with a recessed zipper. You'll need 2 pieces of fabric for your exterior and 2 for your lining, along with your interfacing. 2 straps, a zipper, and a small pocket, optional. Now take your 2 lining pieces and you will measure down 2 inches from the top edge and draw a horizontal line, and you will cut across this line and you will end up with 4 pieces of fabric for your lining. Let's install the zipper. Now, a tutorial showing you how to add tabs to your zipper will be placed in the description below along with the cutting instructions. So place your zipper facing up on the bottom of one of your lining pieces. Make sure the zipper and the fabric is lined up and the zipper is in the center of your fabric. You will pin this and take this to your sewing machine and sew across using your zipper foot. Remember, your zipper needs to be 1 inch shorter than your fabric piece. Now this is what you should have. You will pull the short piece away and top stitch. And now we're going to add the second 2 pieces of the lining to the other end of your zipper.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were.
Great, your zipper is now installed to your lining. Let's sew up the sides. Pin your sides, matching all the edges, and you will leave a 4-inch opening at the bottom of your lining for turning. Take this to your sewing machine and sew around using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Trim your seam allowance to 1/8 of an inch. Now let's box the corners of the bag. You will line up the bottom and side seams and measure in 1.5 inch from the tip. Draw an horizontal line and stitch across that line, and then you will cut away the excess. Repeat for the other point on the bottom of the bag. Now I'm going to add a pocket. I decided this last minute. If you want to see how to make this pocket, there will be a link to the tutorial in the description below. You can place this pocket about 2 inches down from the zip and 2 inches in from the side. Sew around the bottom and the 2 side edges, so you can have a small slip pocket in your bag. This is optional. You don't have to add it if you don't want to. Set your lining aside and let's work on the exterior. A tutorial will be in the description to show you how to prepare the handles. The handles are 5 inches wide by 30 inches long. I'm trying to reduce the length of the video, so I made a separate tutorial showing you how to make your handles. So I lost some of the footage, so I'm just going to tell you how to attach your handle to the exterior. You will place them 4 inches in from the long edges. Match up the top raw edges and sew across using a 1/8 seam allowance. Then you're going to place your exterior piece. Once you've sewn it up together, you will place it inside of your lining. Make sure that the exterior is right sides out and the lining is wrong sides out. Pin the top edge and you will sew around using a 1/4 inch seam allowance as shown in the video here. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the description below, because I wasn't able to get all the footage in order to show you every step of the way, but hopefully you can follow along. Alright, so the exterior lining are now sewn together. You will pull the exterior through the opening in the lining, and then you will fold the opening inwards at 1/4 inch and sew it closed using a matching thread.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind, and she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do.